Hello, everybody. Happy New Year's. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to say thank you so much for 2019, and I hope all of you have a blessed 2020. And let's get this video started. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did the fire part for the bookcase slash fake fireplace. And here all I did was I took a strand of multicolored lights and I covered the green and blue light bulbs. I left the yellow and the red ones without covering them. That way when they flash against the parchment paper, it's going to look like fire flickering. Here I'm showing you the cardboard that I turned into the base to put the lights on, and in the bottom part I put a set of clear lights and then I covered it up with some parchment paper. This is some parchment paper that I already did off of camera, and all I did was just take acrylic paint, red, orange, and yellow, and I just did it with brush strokes going from top to bottom. Then I just waited for it to dry. I'm going to give you a tip right now. If you take that parchment paper that's been painted and you crinkle it up a little bit, it's going to be better. And give yourself, it's better to have more parchment paper than have less. And that's what happened to me here. I did that same technique with what was supposed to be the logs. I just took some parchment paper, I put it on my counter, and then I took two different colors of brown paint. I did forget to tell you guys, you have to mix the paint with some Mod Podge because that's what's going to make it translucent. Once it becomes translucent, you're going to be able to see the lights flash through the paper. So that's all that I did with the paper off camera. Now, another tip is to take those brown pieces of paper and instead of crinkling them up, if you take them and you crinkle them up a little bit, but you make them like into rolls so that they do look like logs and not like rocks, that's going to make the fake fire look a lot better. Now, this was supposed to be done for Christmas. I am a little bit late with this. And this will be for like children, like if you have grandchildren or you have children and you want to make an inexpensive fireplace so you could hang up their Christmas stockings. This is a great idea and a great project that you guys can do together. They can do the parchment paper. They could do the crinkling of the paper. They can help you put the lights on the base, the cardboard base. They could help you paint the cardboard base. As far as them cutting the cardboard, that's something that an adult should do, but that's just an idea. You guys take my ideas and you guys do what is best for you. This is the cardboard base that I created for the fake fireplace. As you can see here, I put some white trim. That white trim is a white clothesline that I purchased for $2 at the flea market. Now I'm going to take this black acrylic paint and I am going to brush that white clothesline with black paint so that it could match the base. After that, I'm going to take some sterling silver enamel paint and I'm going to give it a dry brush technique so that it looks like it's steel. This is what it looks like. Little recap. And this is what the whole entire thing looks like when it's all put together. I like the bookcase / fireplace, the glam style with just a nativity in there. I created the flickering fire and the base just for Christmas time. My grandson did give me an idea, and he said that I could just buy logs and put them in there. And I mean, because it's fake, I can't turn on the logs, or I could put in there like the candles. That's what I'm going to do year round. But I do like my bookcase / fireplace, because in there I have it like a little bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that notification button, leave me a comment, give this video a like. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope all of you have a safe and wonderful New Year's. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay, guys, I've been trying to say this word for the longest. The description box down below, I will leave the link for you guys of the bookcase / fireplace video. I finally said it. I am going to leave this in the video. It's going to be a blooper. I hope all you guys have a sense of humor, which I know that by now all of you know me, and I know all of you do. And remember to have a Happy New Year!